Assalamualaikum dear students. Today in our lesson we will do the objective questions of exercise 7a. Now exercise 7a question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Part A, figure is given. This figure is a dash. So dear students, the given figure in part A is a line segment. Why line segment? Because line segment is a line that has two fixed endpoints. Okay. Part B, lines are given and these are dash lines. So these are parallel lines. Why parallel lines? Reason is that these lines never intersect or meet each other. Okay, now we will move to the next part, part C. Again, this figure is a dash. Okay, dear students, when we observe this figure, it is clear that this line has no end point. Okay, this means that it is a simple straight line. Okay, that has no end point and we can extend it from both sides. The arrowhead shows that we can extend it from both sides. Okay, now we will move to the next part, part D. Again, figure is given and it is a dash line. Okay, it is clear that it is a curved line. Part E. These lines dash each other. Okay, when we observe these lines, it is clear that these lines intersect each other. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Dear students, in this question, question number 2, the statement is given and we have to make a decision whether it is true or false. Part A line segment is a straight path which has two endpoints. Yes, the statement is true. Why? Because really the straight line segment is a line that has two endpoints. We cannot extend it from both sides. Okay. Part B. A line is a straight path which has one fixed endpoint. Okay, dear students, the statement is false because a line is a straight path which has no fixed endpoint. Okay. Part C, a vertical line goes from left to right. Again, part C, the statement is false. Why the statement is false? Reason is that vertical line moves up and down. Okay, and it goes up and down. It can move from up to down or down to up. Okay, now part D. Horizontal lines goes up and down. Again, dear students, the statement is false. Why? Because the horizontal lines goes from left to right. Okay. Part E. If two or more lines are parallel, they will never meet. Exactly. The statement is true because parallel lines are those lines that never meet or never intersect each other. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Okay, select the correct answer from the given options. Dear students, in this question number 3, 4 options are given and we have to select the correct option. Okay, part A, the figure is given and it is a symbol for. Okay, options, vertical lines, parallel lines, non-parallel lines and horizontal lines. It is clear from this symbol that it is a symbol of parallel lines, okay, which never meet or intersect each other. Okay, now we will move to the next part, part B. Curved lines can be measured with a. We have read that we can measure the curved line with the help of ruler and thread both, okay. This means that the first option is correct. Now we will move to the next part, part C. The long straight edge of a ruler are. When we observe a ruler, it is clear that the long straight edges of a ruler are parallel. Okay. So the fourth option is correct. Now part D, the shape of a set square. Okay, when we observe a set square, the shape of its shape is clear, which is triangular. Okay, this means that the third option is clear. Okay, now we will move to the next part, part E. All line segments have, okay, line segments have how many endpoints? two endpoints. Okay, this means that the second option is correct. Now dear students, this is the end of our this lesson. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.